Oh, beaten all ends up, Praneeth. Wonderful bowling, wonderful start by Lalit.
There it is. Has he found the fielder? Yes, he has. Pranit perishes in the middle, trying to force the issue, and Lalit strikes. That's a very fine catch.
Couple of overs. And you can't clear the field every time. You might think you're a big hitter. But the fielder, nicely played, a vivid delivery. Oh, and a boundary. Wonderful hitting.
That's high and handsome. That's out of here. That's a GMR 6. And what a shot. Just the sound of leather hitting willow. And that was flying into the stands.
By Sandeep. He is on a roll. Two top teams are playing against each other. Look at that. Brilliantly shot. It was short, wide, up, and he's dealing in boundaries, surely. Oh. Spoken too soon. Went for a pull, was caught at short mid-wicket. Aditya is the fielder. It was a short ball and went for a pull. Oh, there he goes, there he goes. Why are you doing a harakiri? Charge down the track, Prasad. Tried to hit it over mid-on. Got a faint tickle. Dheeraj Kumar made no mistake. And a wicket.
Yeah, what a shot. That's in the gap. Sublime timing and placement as well. He's putting on a show with the bat, Yara Sandeep, this evening. Another very fine hit to the fence.
This time on the offside. That's timed really well. And more boundaries come.
The premier batters, the bowlers to be informed. This time using that blade, opening the face, beating that dive of Vamsi. So much to grow for the youngster here. This time slightly erring in the line and neatly cut.
Oh, he advances down the wicket this time and he'll go for a 6. KSN Raju will only watch that sail for a GMR 6 of the match.
That is a smart batting. Stepped outside the line, really enabling those arms to come through. And no spin really.
That is what I'm talking about. Straight to the fielder. That is what happens when you have a neutral gear in the top gear. Fielder, look at that. Inside out, over covers. He has a sweeper covers.
Yeah, go hard at this one. Straight to the fielder. He didn't have to move. Dheeraj with another catch. Vinay. He lost only 2 deliveries. And Yadlavasu with his second wicket. Half the side back in the dugout.
He did the same mistake what Vijay has done. Straight into the Dheeraj's hand. He didn't have to move an inch. Up in the air, and out of the park. This is what I'm saying. Pandu can hit big. It was a half tracker. He's not very impressed. Now everybody knows how one bats, and Pandu is a good player of short bowling. And he completes his 50. Sandeep, very well made 50 of 35 deliveries, but nobody else has supported him. But that's nicely made 50. First 50 of the tournament for Sandeep. And he'll cherish it.
Yeah, he's made it count. Got a promotion as an opener this evening. Usually comes in at number 4. He's got a lot of height on this one and a whole lot of distance as well. That's one of the longest GMR 6s we've seen in GMR Andhra Premier League.
Long. That's why they call it going, gone. It has gone, really. A long way. Always. Oh, that's up in the air. That is up in the air. He did not middle it. And Pandu has to walk back. He tried to play another big heave, big shot. But only, look at him. It was again, they're bowling according to the plan. He hit a massive 6 sure. But this time around.
Up in the air. Ashwin Hebar, the nifty Ashwin Hebar dives to his right and snaps up a blinder there.
Fine catch as well. Didn't get hold of that one. Was in the air. And just the Ashwin Hebbar. Inches from the ground as well. In the air. A fielder coming, swirling under that one. And he pouches that. So Yara Sandeep as well. The set batter is going to go back. KSN Raju, he comes, he strikes. And further problems here for the Royals.
For the Amravati Royals. Tried to go over mid-off. Excellent ground covered there. And then good technique.
Over now. This time just tucking him, but that's going to be a boundary. After 19 deliveries, that boundary coming finally for the Royals.
Left in this innings of his. He decides immediately and doesn't have enough. Teja there neatly snaps and they are really reeling and bleeding here. Amravati Royals. Is the skipper who'll have to depart.
The catching we mentioned has been really good. GSP Teja out there in the deep and long off. Another fine catch from him. Yeah, very nicely taken as well. They are delighted. Sumit as well.
The Amravati Royals. This time gets it smack in the center of the bat. A clean hit. It will go land inside the side screen. Excellent hit here.
But just see that shot. Just taking his left foot away, just making room, and that's gone some distance. GMR 6 coming from.
This time the inside edge does the trick for Karthik. He got one in the center of the bat, and this time the inside edge accounting for 4 more runs. Karthik remains on strike, but he chooses a different option. An option which they'll be happy of. 4 to end the over. It's 129 for 9. Just sixer. This time once again. Excellent batting here. Karthik is really claiming his stake here.
Yeah, he's enjoying himself. He's striking well. 350 tournament sixes. Distance. Trying the change of pace, but really read it very early. Karthik looks to be a really good striker.
Is there an edge? Yes. Affirmation from the umpire. And finally, the innings of the Amravati Royals comes to an end. Shrihit, the man, departed.
Fall as well. Going for that big shot on the offside, just edging it, getting a feather. And immediately the finger was up.
Put into bat first time in this tournament. In the absence of Hanuma Vihari, Yara Sandeep put his hand up. 53 for him. Vijay getting 17. Raju
was the outstanding bowler. Good economy as well, 7.57. Also Lalit Mohan, the impact sub, he did a remarkable job opening the bowling. 4 overs, 18 runs and 1 wicket for him. White.
A hint of swing and extra. First runs on the board. The Vijayawada Sunshiners.
That's nicely bowled. Good delivery. Ball is still swinging. You know, maybe it's under lights or maybe it is the wicket. That's up in the air, and out of the park. GMR 6. Wonderful hitting.
Just helped it along. The one-handed shot by the end of it, and it sailed into the advertising board. Batter survives. That's up in the air. Third up in the circle. 1 bounce. That'll be a 4. That'll go towards the dugout of the Vijayawada Sunshiners.
Top batters. Oh, there it goes. How big it is. It's huge. It's a huge GMR 6. Wonderful, wonderful. It was a half tracker pulled over square leg for how much of a bat speed he had. Look at that. Look at that. What is he doing? He's batting brilliantly. Off length. He footwork. Beautifully hit. Wonderful timer. Oh, look at him. He is not stopping. He is not stopping. He's hitting the ball all around. He's all over the ground.
And he smeared that over the cow corner region. Wow.
Nicely played. Oh, beautifully played. He started moving now.
Evening. Cut away. Straight to the fielder. Misfield. Work to do for the fielder at mid-off. It's a good little chase and that'll race away for a 4. Ordinary cricket in the middle here by the Amravati Royals.
Down the ground. No stopping that. That's going to be a boundary. The safest area over the bowler's head.
This time strokes down the ground, and that's going to be the third 50 for Ashwin Hebbar. The captain doing the damage, running right from the front. Well deserved, much required. And just when his team needed it, they will applaud a beautifully and classily put innings. Oh, lovely. The sound of that is so surreal to your ears. Another 6 in this match. Ashwin here.
And intent is very clear from Ashwin Hebbar. 5 sixes and 5 fours now. On the full. And that's a juicy full toss put away in style. Lovely strike. And that's the first 6 for Abhinav.
Nice and juicy full toss. Had all the time. Whacks it on the legs. Turkish has been very good in that first over. He slammed that. He slammed this to perfection. Another 6 here in this game. And that brings 100 up for the Vijayawada Sunshiners.
Once again short. That's time pulled away once again. And that's going to be a boundary. He's playing in those gaps.
Runs have come off it already. He strikes down the ground. Abhinav as well. What an expensive over this has been.
Oh, it's up in the air. Up in the air. Is it gone out? Yes. It is another 6 from Hebbar's bat. 7-6 from Hebbar's bat. He is in a 6-hitting spree practiced by Hebbar. He just used the pace and smashed over fine leg for a maximum.
Lethal of a player he is. They smacked that again, and this time a wicket. Finally getting it done and dusted. A little upset with himself, Ashwin. But Praneeth takes a nice catch.
He was in a hurry to get to his 100. Tried to smash over cover, could not get the leverage. Straight to Praneeth, who made no mistake. Look at the aggression, Ashwin. Straight to Praneeth. Look at that. Look at that. What Hebbar can do, I can do better. This is what Abhinav is sending. It's over itself. Because it's a part-timer who's bowling. And he wants to take a maximum advantage of it.
Complimentary wicket. This goes down the ground. This is coming nice and tight. And that races away for a boundary. Yara Sandeep couldn't really get that. And now just 2 required in 44. Things off here. 1 run required. And he'll try and go for glory. Fielder coming underneath. Puts that down. And that is going to be the winning runs for the Vijayawada Sunshiners, who are all smiles as they win their last league game. And for the first time in the league, the Capital Amravati Royals have been defeated. The 2 names to look at in terms of the batting card.
If you look at Vijayawada Sunshiners, the wonderful opening partnership of 121 between Abhinav and Ashwin Hebbar.
Come for them. When it comes to the bowling, really not much to take away from there. Karthik Raman just getting a complimentary kind of a wicket there, which he can take.
138, except for Sandeep, nobody batted well. Sumit picked up 4 wickets, bowled very well. But in reply, Vijayawada Sunshiners were in a hurry.